Welcome to Home Pantry Pro, and today we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, the CAROTE 20-piece Titanium Cookware Set. If you're looking to upgrade your pots and pans, especially with an eye on health, convenience, and space saving, then you'll want to stick around for this. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, the non-stick titanium surface. CAROTE emphasizes that this cookware is crafted with next-generation titanium, and crucially, it's free from PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, and other harmful chemicals. This is a significant selling point in today's health-conscious world. The claim is that it offers a stronger non-stick coating that's built to last. In my testing, this translated to eggs sliding around with ease and minimal oil needed for searing. Food release is genuinely impressive, which leads us directly into the next major feature, effortless cleanup. The ultra-smooth, spray-coated surface really does live up to its name. Stubborn residue is not much of an issue. After cooking, a quick wipe down or a cycle in the dishwasher usually does the trick. This is a game-changer for anyone who dreads scrubbing pots and pans after a meal. The dishwasher-safe aspect is a huge win for everyday convenience. Now, let's address a common pain point for many home cooks, kitchen storage. CAROTE tackles this head-on with their ingenious design. These pots and pans nest neatly, and they claim to save up to 70% of your cabinet or drawer space. This is particularly beneficial for those with smaller kitchens, RVs, or even for people who enjoy camping and need portable cookware. They do include pot protectors to prevent scratching when stacked, which is a thoughtful addition to maintain the integrity of the non-stick surface. Another standout feature is the detachable handle system. This is where versatility truly shines. The handles attach securely and offer a stable, strong grip, allowing you to seamlessly transition your cookware from the stovetop to the oven, the grill, the fridge, and even directly to the dining table. It's a simple click mechanism, and it feels robust. This makes serving and plating so much easier, reducing the need for multiple dishes. CAROTE also backs their product with a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase, which provides a good layer of reassurance. If any quality issues arise, they offer to provide a satisfying solution. So, let's break down the pros and cons based on my experience. The pros are definitely the non-stick performance, the health-conscious material, the incredible space-saving design, and the versatility offered by the detachable handles. The ease of cleanup is also a major advantage. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the titanium is touted for durability, like any non-stick surface, it will require care to ensure its longevity. Avoiding metal utensils and opting for gentle cleaning will be key. Also, 20 pieces can seem like a lot, and while many are designed to stack, it's worth evaluating if you truly need that many different sizes and types of cookware. The handle mechanism, while secure, is an extra step to get used to if you're accustomed to traditional cookware. Overall, the CAROTE 20-piece titanium cookware set is a compelling option for anyone seeking a healthy, efficient, and space-saving addition to their kitchen. It delivers on its promises of excellent non-stick performance, easy cleanup, and smart storage. The versatility it brings with the detachable handles is a significant bonus, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking scenarios. Link in the description.